Hello guys, we're here to talk about how to place long trades on BlackArrow. So the idea here is to go real quick and how to place orders on a buy side. So I have here one symbol which is Nasdaq, and there are some ways that you can do this. Like first, and the more obvious one, if I want to buy at market, just place a buy order, clicking on the right button. There are other simple ways. Best way actually, I would say that it's our shortcut. If you want to buy, you just press shift right here and you can select and place on the chart a new order. Now you can see that I have two contracts on the buy side for micro Nasdaq. Okay, so that's the simplest way. You have other ways like buy right here that you can go and pretty much press a buy order. Okay.
Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here.
It goes same way right there, and you can place this order as a limit order because I added at this price. And of course, if you want to change all the places, like change and modify orders, and like now I'm gonna buy. Okay, so these are the main limits. So limit, you come here, you select the price that you want to send the order, 25, 24, 162 now, and I want to buy a limit order right there. Just bought it. Okay. That's really simple how you do it. Okay, and to close orders, you can just close all of them right there. Okay.